Folks, we're here at SP Gadgets. I got Kai Gorey here, and he's going to go over some of the cool. Everybody's into the GoPro thing now. That's the camera thing, like what we're doing here. You got to have something to hold your GoPro, something to hold your camera with. And Kai's got the answer, I think, for a lot of your needs.
Yep, so a lot of our, this is our new product. This is basically our floating section. So everything comes apart and everything on this floats. So you're fishing and you drop your pole and your camera into the water, it's fine, it floats. Different sections for loggers. So a lot of people, whenever they are fishing, they can just drop it right into the water. You take a look, and like I said, everything floats. Also, they are put in the rod holder above, facing the camera.
So if I have my GoPro on this right here, oops, and it falls into the water, it's going to float right there until I can retract it. Absolutely. That's awesome. Show me something else.
So then our non-floating poles, just poles in general, just everything retracts and then locks. So we have a couple different sizes. This is our 36-inch. We also have a 39-inch right here. And our poles are our best sellers. Does that work for
That's awesome.
Yep.
When I first walked into this booth, you showed me this right here.
Absolutely.
We have a lot, on the West Coast, we have a lot of people that wakeboard, we have a lot of water skiers, we have a lot of snow skiers, all that kind of stuff. How would this be useful for them?
So this is called a flex mount, and this has been really popular at ICAST. So basically, if I'm stand-up paddleboarding, wakeboarding, fishing, bow hunting, this is a very strong magnet. And basically what people are doing are just putting it right up under their shirt and then clipping it right there.
You mount your camera right here, you go do your thing, come back, watch yourself on the big screen.
Absolutely.
Kai, that was awesome. That was some great information right here at the 2015 ICAST show.
Okay.